In this video, we will see our next animation, which shall be a border to the image. The border gives the effect of photo frame to the image. This has been done only with CSS styling without using JavaScript. Hence, it is a simple method for the web page design. I have zoomed for better visibility. Let me call the title of the web page as picture frame, and coming to the body content, let me include a image source. I have the PNG file named butterfly.png in my computer along with this CSS animation frame HTML. And the alternate, if the image is not available, is just display no image. Coming back to the preview, this is the PNG image, I have it, and now that is getting displayed in the preview of web page. Now going back to the HTML file, we will try to control the size of this image using width and height. Let us have width as 100 pixel and height also as 100 pixel. So this is our defined size for image. That's the butterfly.png. So once again we will see the preview to see impact of this width and height on the image. Yes, this is slightly shrinked because we have given height and width as 100 pixel, almost like a square. We have to start giving the CSS styling property. So let me declare this image within the div class. By having div class, we can define the styling property for class identifier, and let me call the class as frame, as we are going to bring the impact of photo frame to this image. Coming back to the head content of HTML file, we will start doing CSS styling. So I have included the style tag and the class ID is frame. We will start defining the properties. First, let us position this as relative. It would be better if our image is moved slightly to the center position. So let me give top start position as 100 pixel, and from the left let it start after 300 pixel. This is just to see so that our image with the frame is not at the leftmost end, slightly it is at the center of the web page. The frame shall be exactly at the border of the image, then only it will look like the frame. So I'll take frame height and width as same as the image, and let me give the border width as 10 pixel and a solid border we are intended to have it. So the trick here to get the frame is to draw a border outside the image with right thickness and just outside the image with the color that gives the effect of frame. So border color, 4 borders, first starting with top, it shall, let me have the 666 so that it is gray, a little darker gray, and right side border shall be little lighter gray, hence I'll give CCC. Again to the bottom it shall be slightly darker than the left and right borders, and the left border shall be AAA. So it's a tint of gray. The preview shows the frame. Initially the picture was at the left top corner. Now it is moved because with the frame class styling, we have positioned the top and left. Also, if you see the merging portion of 4 borders gives us a depth which looks like a frame for the image. We will also preview this in the browser. In the browser also we are getting the same effect as frame over the image. Please note, this frame we got by drawing 4 borders, by appropriately choosing the border thickness and the color at 4 sides. Now slightly let me try to introduce, make the size bigger. Image I have increased to 200 pixel, and similarly I am trying to increase the height, width and border of this so that the frame is exactly fitting to the page. I have refreshed the HTML page. As we can see, the image is bigger and the border is exactly fitting to the image.